Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video we're going to learn about reporting, just the basics of reporting, because we are going through account payable section in finance, which is a part of MB 800 as well. So we just follow the structure of MB 800. So you can see the main screen and you can see reporting. You can click all reports and you can see different reports are here, whichever reports you want to see. So we were working on finance side here, so you can see we got these old reports are there. You can click any of these reports and check what's going on there. So specifically we're doing what we will be learning about account payable reports. So we see account payable reports, so you got all these reports here, which can give you about vendor details, purchasing statistics, payments on hold, age account payable, or payment practices, and etc. 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 So if you want to see one of these, let's see if we click on aged account payable, and you can select different options here. You can select the print option or layout option, and you can put the age as of date, as what date you want to put there, aging by due date as well, and then you want to put the period, 1 month or more, or a year or week. You can put through LCY as well, and print details, and heading type. You can put data in date intervals. And if you go down, you got different options to select. So you can select all these options to preview or print or send a report to anyone. So let's say if you want to change the date to, let's say 2023, and preview it, it will show us what's going on. So it's generating the reports now. So because we haven't got anything in that area during that period, because it's a new company, it's a trial version, so we can't see anything at the moment. Let's change the date to something else. Let's see what it says with 2024. There we go. You can see all the reports. You can increase it or zoom in from here. So you see the company's names there as well. Let's go back, sorry. Fabric Inc. First Up Consultants, Graphic Design Institute, Worldwide Importers, Node Publishers. That shows the currency and balances, and there's obviously we haven't done anything in between here, so the same balances is shown here on this side, and then that's the you can say currency specifications from here to here, and that's the amount. So this is how you check the reports. You can check different kind of reports at any time from Business Central. So you can go back and you can click the reports, and then you can see further reports as well. It can show you the statistics as well, so there should be a purchase statistics. Let's click that and let's preview it. So here it is showing you all the statistics about the companies and what happened and what we done. Obviously it's a new company. You can see it says purchase, that's the company's name, and then that's the date is showing up, and then today's date. So if you go down, it will show you all the reports for analytical purposes or accounting purposes or finance purposes. So hope you understand this video. It's just a minor basic video for reporting, and we'll go deep down later on in account payable for different things. Thanks for watching.